Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix game stuck on the loading screen error in the CarX Street. So first method is that you have to just open your Play Store or App Store and then search here for a VPN which is named as the free VPN in Russia. Then install it. After installing you have to just open it and tap to connect it to your device. After doing so your problem will be fixed. And the second method is that you have to just open your device settings and click on the apps management and then app settings and search here for your Google Play Store. Then tap to open it. Here you have to just click on the storage and the cache and then click on the clear cache and then clear storage. After doing so your problem will be fixed. And the third method is that you have to just tap and hold on your game and then click on the application details. Here you have to just click on the storage and the cache and then click on the clear cache first and then clear storage. Doing so you have to just restart your game and this time your error will be fixed. If not, then you have to just restart your device one time. After rebooting your device your problem will be fixed successfully. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.